Hi, it's D2 and I thought I'd do a favorites video this month. I can't do them every single month. I try to do them if I can, but anyways, I can't do them every single month because I don't buy so many new products every month to try. I just, when I have money and when I need something, then I buy something. So the first thing I want to tell you about is a lipstick that I've been using recently, and it's by 3 Concept Eyes. This is the box. It has like different, this one has a sticker on it, but it has different lips on the side, on the packaging. The box is really cute. So this is a company called 3 Concept Eyes. That's the logo. This is the tube. I got this from Yes Style, but they have a website called Style Nanda. And this is the color. It is 605 Fatal. And it is a cream lipstick that does leave a stain and stays on pretty long. So I've eaten through meals and it still looks quite good after. And so this lipstick really impressed me with the long wearingness, even though it's a cream lipstick and not really a matte lipstick. You might call it kind of semi-matte though. It's like creamy and a bit matte. But it's so smooth and easy to apply and just applies beautifully as well. So the quality, I'm really impressed with the quality as well. I'm not wearing it right now, but I was wearing it in my previous videos and in the makeup tutorial that I did last week. So my previous makeup video. So I'm really impressed with 3 Concept Eyes products, and yeah, I definitely want to try more of them. And what I found with this lipstick as well, I mean, I've had this for a while. It's by Freyja, and it's the Wonder lipstick by Freyja, and it's kind of a rosy, it's kind of a nude rosy color like this. And let me swatch it because I haven't swatched it or tried it. That's what it looks like. It's like a nude color, but with some rose in it as well. And it's quite light on me, and I wasn't sure how to use this or how to make it work. But I'm wearing it right now over a bit of the Fatal. When using these lipsticks together, and I'll swatch this one. See? That's what this looks like. And this is this one. But if I put this on first, and then I put this one over, and hold on, let me do it properly, and then it looks kind of like that, and then that's what I'm wearing right now, and that combination was really pretty. It's kind of a hot pink or a pink color, and it's a really nice pink color that I think would be good in the spring. But why I really like this and why I want to make it work is because it's a very hydrating formula. It's a lipstick. It feels like a lip balm. It's very smooth. It's very hydrating. This is shade number 11, and it's the Wonder of Lips line by Freyja. Another product that I've been loving is this Etude House eye pencil, and it's the Proof 10 Auto Pencil, and it's in shade BK802. Like a very black eyeliner, and I'm wearing it right now, so you can see it's quite black and quite good. I really like it. It stays on really long, and it doesn't, like, I don't know, it doesn't come off that easily, but it is very smudgeable as well. It is waterproof, but it's smudgeable. And I just like it, okay? It's just a good eyeliner to have. And this side is a sharpener, so you can sharpen it, and this side, it's, you know, the retractable kind of eyeliner. This tends to come off very easily, so I just have to watch out for that. It just kind of has a hard time staying put. Italian cosmetic items that I've been liking, and well, one thing not so much liking and one thing liking. So I've told you before about L'Herbolario. It's an Italian brand, and I like their primer. I like some of their products, but it's kind of hit and miss with me. One of the things that I really like, and I've had a few testers of this, is the CC cream. It has full coverage. I mean, it's a CC cream, but it really is like a BB cream. I don't know why they call it a CC cream, because it's full coverage. It's not changeable. It's definitely a beige tint. It says CC cream crema viso, which means face cream. It has SPF 20. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and I have the one for medium or ultra other colored skin. That's what it says. It says there's a light color and then there's the medium and other colored skin. That's what it says there, exactly translated. This CC cream I find to be very hydrating, and it does feel like you're putting on a cream, but it's full coverage and it looks smooth, and I'm wearing it right now and I really like it. The thing that I didn't like, so now going on to things that I didn't really like, I really didn't like the BB cream by L'Herbaladio. They have a BB cream. It's like BB cream crema viso, SPF 15, and it also has hyaluronic acid in it, and I just didn't like it. It goes on patchy. It's very light coverage, so this one is called a BB cream, but it is more like a CC cream, or even what is it called? A tinted moisturizer. That's what it is. It goes on like a tinted moisturizer, barely covering anything, and it feels more like a cream more than anything else. It doesn't really do anything, and yet it leaves kind of patches of pigment on your skin too. Okay, and I have some other things that I don't like as well. Sorry if this sounds like a more negative video, because it's like things I don't like. I don't like this, I don't like that, I don't like, what do I like? Nothing. The thing has worn off, the logo on the bottle has worn off, but this is the Etude House Eye Primer, and I don't like it because I have very sensitive skin, and I found that this irritates my eyelids after a while. It just starts the eczema process. It starts making them itchy, and then I get eczema, and yeah, so the Etude House Proof 10 Eye Primer. People rave about this, and I'm sure it's really good for people who have less sensitive skin. I still have some lipstick on my hand, but anyways, you can't see it. It has no color really. It makes your skin feel smoother and stuff. It's just that after a while of using this, my eyelids start to get itchy and irritated. So yeah. What can I say? That's what happened. Don't like it. Another thing that I don't like is by Lolian. This is a very reflective thing. It says Lolene on it. And this is another primer, and this is a face primer from the same company that does Scenic or Scenic. This is a South Korean brand, and when you put it on, it looks really nice. It really works really well as a primer, but it broke me out so much. Now my skin's cleared up after I stopped using this, because this is what it was that was breaking me out. And the other weird thing about it is the jar. It's like this, so the hole is there and you have to put your finger in, and there's product all along the sides, and it's really hard to get the product out. But anyways, that's what you have to do unless you have a spatula, and I don't really have spatulas on hand. It's a cream type primer. It didn't irritate my sensitive skin, and it looks and feels like a cream, and it's very smooth, and it actually works pretty well as a primer, but it broke me out, so it clogs pores, and that's a big problem for me, so don't like it. Anyways, so I did not like that at all. Just do not like. And that's it for the things that I didn't like, and that's it for the cosmetic things. But I also want to tell you about some TV shows that I've been watching that I really, really like. If you know me, you know that I watch a lot of TV, and a lot of especially like fantasy, sci-fi, that kind of stuff. And I also like to read those kind of books too. But so recently I've been watching Gotham, and I am mad loving that show. Gotham is just so well done. The acting is so good, and there's Jada Pinkett Smith in there, and she plays this kind of vixen, kind of bad girl, and she's so good at it, and I just think her acting's amazing in that. And I also really like Penguin, but like all of them are such good actors, but Penguin really stands out. He's always like sweating, and he looks like he just plays the part so well of Penguin. And I was just really impressed by the cinematography and the acting and the story, and I just think they're doing such a good job on that show. And the other one, and of course I love The Vampire Diaries and the originals, and my favorite show of all time is Buffy. But recently I also started watching Eye Candy with Victoria Justice, and so last week I did a makeup tutorial where I did the Lindy look. Lindy is the character that Victoria Justice plays in the movie. Not the movie, in the TV show, sorry. It's really a good TV show. My husband doesn't like it so much. Me and him, we love Gotham, and so we've been watching Gotham together. Eye Candy is, I think, more for like younger people, and it's produced by MTV, but I really like it, and I think it's so good for promoting or informing or letting people know, especially young people who are always online, that they need to be careful because there are stalkers out there, there are dangerous people out there. There's some gruesome scenes in there, like scenes definitely not for younger viewers, but it does just remind you that you need to be careful when online, because there are these like weirdos out there, and it's dangerous. Even though I do YouTube, it is something that I think about, and everyone should just be careful about. Well, hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, please click like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!